Hey everyone, I'm out here by my mini bed garden. I have neglected this garden more than I normally would because I'm putting this addition on my house, but I want to show you something really neat. Look at, well, this isn't it, but look at those strawberries. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of great strawberries. 4 plants to a mini bed. Nice, nice. But what I want to show you is all these solar pyramids. I planted potatoes under these solar pyramids. And I'm going to show you some potatoes that I didn't plant under the solar pyramids when I'm done here. Just for contrast. These solar pyramids are absolutely amazing. Now, the problem with them is that if you grow something under them and it's in such an incredibly ideal environment for growing, and then you pull the solar pyramid off, it shocks the plant. So you've got to harden them off. And I started doing that yesterday. I pulled, on these potato beds, I pulled the solar pyramid up so you could see it wasn't weighted down. So a little bit of air was coming in around the perimeter, and the environment inside was not quite so ideal. Then today, another very warm day, and we have 2 more warm days ahead of us, I opened up one side. You can see I lifted one side and put a clothespin on it to hold it. Now look at this potato, these potatoes in here. And these particular potatoes, now what you're going to find amazing is when you see the potatoes that weren't planted in these solar pyramids. Now I've got, these are, what are they? Rose fin, these are fingerlings. I planted 5 seeds in there. Now I'll show you the different potatoes here in these solar pyramids. This is a masquerade potato. Look at that. Amazing. This is May. This is Memorial Day weekend. Harvest Moon potatoes. Okay. Beautiful, healthy plants. These are Pinto Gold. Yeah, lovely. This is exciting. This is the second year I've grown some potatoes. These are Rose Gold. Look at those. They're so far ahead. I'll pan over here and show you these strawberries here. Those nice. Okay, I got more potatoes over here. Here are my onions. Look at, there's dog prints in there. You would think dogs, whatever dog that is, it's probably the neighbor dog. But these onions are really starting to shoot up. As long as the dogs don't trample them down. Here is another potato. Couple more days, warm days. This is Purple Sun potato. Purple Sun. Pretty exciting to grow different varieties. That's one of the things you can do with mini beds with potatoes. You know, we're not growing a year's supply of potatoes here for sure, but we're growing them for the table through the summer, and we're experimenting. You can experiment with these mini beds. And, well, there were more. You get the idea. Now, amazingly, let me show you potatoes that were not planted in solar pyramids. They're planted in rows conventionally. And you can see they're up. I don't have these marked. I've got them written down what the varieties are. I got to get the stakes out here. And they're not looking bad, but you can see I got to do some weeding, and it's time to do some hilling. This row's doing quite good, but these potatoes are not doing anywhere near as well as those in the solar pyramids. Absolutely amazing. Look at these. It's incredible. But you got to harden them off. You can't just expose them immediately to the weather. Get a few days that are sunny and nice and warm. Kind of introduce some air into the environment inside there, and then pull them off, and they'll be fine. That's important though. All right. Solar pyramids in the mini bed garden with potatoes. See you later.